Alright, today we'll be talking about international business. It is something that has interested me and a career I am pursuing and majoring in. So alright, let's get to it. Some might be asking, what is international business? Well, it refers to the trade of goods, services, technology, capital, and knowledge at a global level. Also, it involves cross-border transactions of goods and services between two or more countries. Alright. The other thing is, what do international business majors do? Well, these are just a few outlines of what they do. So, to do business with other companies in other countries, that's one of them. The other is understand the economy of the country that they are trying to do business with. And then the other one is knowing the language and culture and able to do effective business with. So that's very vital and very important. Starting salaries for international business majors right out of college would be at least $60,000, and over a few years it would be, if experienced, it would be $140,000. Other jobs you qualify for when you're going for this career, for one of them could be financial analysis, so stockbroker, a product manager, an economist, also a consultant foreign exchange trader, which they all pay great and can provide a good lifestyle. So let's get an overview of this. A degree in international business equips one with the knowledge to understand the global business world. Students learn how to manage multinational businesses and may take local and national businesses to an international level. Undergraduate students learn about business administrations, finance, accounting, and economics. Your job will be doing business with other companies in other countries and understanding that the country's economy and having a diplomatic relation. With understanding the culture and knowing the language are benefits for you to succeed in doing great business. Also, landing better business deals. It can be challenging, but if something you enjoy, you can be doing a great job for you. Also, if you choose in studying this career, you have qualifications, like we just went over, for financial analysis or a product manager. So you have a better chance of getting a job after you graduate. And that's all I got, guys.